Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Bosnia and Herzegovina and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Although Bosnia is a democratic state, ethnic tensions, corruption, and weak state institutions continue to affect the safety and rights of many individuals. Ethnic minorities, particularly Roma and returnees to minority-dominated areas, face discrimination in housing, employment, education, and access to services. There are still incidents of harassment and violence linked to ethnic identity, often in communities where war-era divisions remain unresolved. Corruption and political interference in the judiciary undermine fair access to justice, especially for people challenging local elites or reporting abuses. Human rights defenders and journalists have reported pressure, threats, and smear campaigns. Women and girls face domestic violence and gender-based discrimination, particularly in rural areas where support services and protection mechanisms are limited. Although laws exist, enforcement is often weak, and survivors may struggle to access justice. LGBT individuals experience stigma, bullying, and hate speech, especially in conservative regions. Public expression of LGBT identity is limited, and while discrimination is formally prohibited, hate crimes are rarely investigated or prosecuted. Returnees may face renewed risks, particularly in areas where they are perceived as outsiders or where unresolved conflicts remain beneath the surface. Those who fled ethnic violence, persecution, or domestic abuse often find that state protection remains ineffective or inaccessible. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.